registered nurse in Tyler is charged with murdering one patient, and police say they're investigating other cases of death or permanent injury.
Police say they anticipate charging William George Davis in more cases involving 7 patients at the hospital where Davis worked. Fox 4's Natalie Solis live at the Tyler Police Department with the story. Natalie.
Heather, the Tyler police chief says a handful of investigators have worked 1,700 hours on this case since February. They say the evidence points toward one man, a nurse who they say acted alone and for reasons still unclear. Now, 34-year-old William Davis, a 2014 nursing school graduate of Texas Women's University, is charged with 1 count of murder for the death of a 47-year-old male patient who was in his care at Christus Mother Frances Lewis and Peaches Owen Heart Hospital in Tyler. Police say they are also investigating the death of another unnamed man as a result of Davis' actions, but they have yet to file a charge in that case. According to the arrest warrant affidavit, police were contacted by the hospital on February 8th about Davis and the statistical anomaly of certain incidents. Police started investigating 7 patient cases from June 2017 to January of this year. They say in all 7 cases, the patients were recovering from successful surgeries, then suddenly suffered profound and unexplainable incidents. The affidavit says police obtained video of Davis going in and out of patients' rooms around the times of the incidents, and they say he lied when questioned about his activities in at least one patient's room. Fort Worth attorney Stephen Laird is representing a female patient.
We've learned a lot. We're not at liberty to share a whole lot at this particular time, but there are a lot of questions that we have right now. As I indicated, who knew what and when?
We proceeded with this one charge at this time. When we file that charge with the district attorney's office, it's anticipated we'll file multiple aggravated assault charges on top of this one.
Now, according to the affidavit, police brought in independent doctors to review patient records and one found that air was being deliberately introduced into the arterial circulation using the patient's arterial lines. Police say Davis was the only one who was consistently assigned to the unit when the incidents occurred. Now, the hospital put out a statement saying it took swift action and performed a review of the circumstances and reported the information to police. Davis was relieved of his duties in January, terminated in February. His nursing license suspended by the state in March. Now, after his license was suspended, but before his arrest yesterday, Davis did set up a GoFundMe page to help with his legal expenses. Now, the accompanying picture shows him posing with what appears to be his wife and his 2 young children. He now is held in the Smith County Jail on a bond of $2 million. Steve.
All right, Natalie Solis and Tyler, thank you very much. Now, the death of another man, Perry Frank, is also one of the cases under investigation. His daughter spoke by Skype about what her family has been told. Savannah Frank says her father had undergone open heart surgery and was in his 2nd day of recovery when he died.
My mom said that the surgeon sat her down and said that he was in absolute shock. This shouldn't have happened. And he asked her if he could perform an autopsy. And my mom said yes. But we didn't really get any answers. It just didn't make any sense. He was doing so well. He was recovering so well.
Savannah Frank also says police have told her mother that detectives are still gathering evidence about her father's death. Again, William George Davis is under investigation for 2 deaths, 5 injuries so far. Police say the number of cases against him might grow.